So this is the first attempt ever on a steak. Obviously, because of the weather, the grill was not available, and just use the toaster for it. So here it is for all types of people. One steak, multiple options. This is, I would say, medium, a little bit more medium. This is medium. Wow. This is the actual medium. Look at that. Yeah.
That's rare.
Medium rare. Yeah, this is medium rare. Yep. Perfect. So what I did, instead of using the grill, then I used the toaster oven at 400 degrees, about, I would say, roughly about half an hour, flipping it every 8 to 9 minutes. And this is where we are. So it tastes really good. Wish you could taste it, but you can't. So I'll do it for you. Thank you.